doctor, call me a doctor. I need a doctor to bring me back to life.
I told the world